Right, we're back again. Basic video card. My 16 gig, 2 sticks of 8 gig each, RGB, Temu Shitty fan, the Ryzen 5 5600G, so it's got onboard graphics. I've only just done this on my test bench, which is there. Keyboard, mouse. Right, this is, I found a better Cooler Master EX2 Extreme 625, and it does about 500 watts, so that should be plenty to run the board. Grab a trusty screwdriver. Right, turn the power on and wait for the bangs. Okay, we've got no bangs, pops or whistles, which is good. Everything seems to be okay. Right, we'll move that out of the way. I won't need that cable. I'll take one of the fans off. This RAM's too high, so we'll leave that like that. I did notice that my Noctua will actually fit in there. Heaps more room. I might put that on, but these clips here are a different size, and I don't think I'll probably bend them up and get them to fit. Bend them up there on the end. Right, let's see if this $30 CPU works, because I got told it was stuffed. I says, well, for 30 bucks I'm willing to take the gamble. Yes, power's on. We hit, we've got fan spin, we've got lights, screen, hit F2, I think it is, on this. Nothing on screen yet. And we've got, yes, there we go, just picked it up. AMD Ryzen 5 5600 with 80 on graphics. Sweet, and 16 gigs of RAM. Sweet. I'll let that sit and see what the temperature's doing. Ooh, 41. Those fans going? Oh no, I forgot to plug in the fans. Rookie mistake. But I meant to take off the heat sink, bit of plastic. Bugger, I've got to plug in the fans. Right, we'll be back once I've done that.